Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to source for in-depth, honest reviews. Today we're looking at the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series Smart Blender, a product designed to offer professional-grade performance, flexibility, and smart features for any kitchen. With the promise of seamless blending and customization, this blender has the potential to change the way you prepare your meals. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. The Vitamix A2500 comes with a 64-ounce low-profile container, ideal for both small and larger batches. It's part of the Ascent series, which includes some high-tech features you won't find in many blenders. One of the standout aspects of this model is its built-in wireless connectivity. This allows the motor base to read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust the blending time and program settings accordingly. Essentially, you get a level of automation that ensures consistency across various tasks, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or frozen desserts. With 3 program settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, Vitamix aims to make things simple while giving you consistent, professional results. If you like a more hands-on approach, the blender's variable speed control and pulse feature let you fine-tune textures to your exact preferences, making it a versatile tool in your kitchen arsenal. Along with these, the A2500 also features a built-in digital timer, a great addition if you want to remove the guesswork from manually processed recipes. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience of using the Vitamix A2500. Setting it up is straightforward. The assembly process is quick, and once it's out of the box, you're ready to go. The low-profile 64-ounce container is easy to handle, and I found it fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, which isn't always the case with bulkier models. The motor base is heavy but sturdy, providing that premium feel you expect from Vitamix. When it comes to testing, I tried out all the program settings to see how well the A2500 holds up in real kitchen scenarios. The smoothie program was flawless. My smoothie had a perfectly smooth texture without any chunks, even with harder ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. The hot soup program was equally impressive. I was able to blend ingredients directly into a soup base, and the result was smooth and perfectly heated, thanks to the motor's power. As for frozen desserts, the A2500 turned out a creamy sorbet with little effort, so it truly lives up to its promises across the board. However, no product is without its flaws. One thing to keep in mind is the noise level. While not excessively loud, the blender is certainly on the noisier side when compared to more basic models. If you're sensitive to sound, this could be a drawback. Additionally, despite the powerful motor, there can be some minor splashing when using the pulse feature at high speeds. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider when blending ingredients at the highest setting. The pros of the Vitamix A2500 are clear. The wireless connectivity is a game changer. It takes the guesswork out of selecting settings and ensures that the blender adapts to the specific task at hand. The program settings are incredibly convenient, and the overall build quality is top-notch. It's a high-performance blender with a sleek, modern design that fits nicely in any kitchen. Plus, the variable speed control and pulse feature give you complete control over texture, which is a huge bonus for anyone who loves to experiment with recipes. On the flip side, the cons are mainly related to the price point and noise level. While the performance is stellar, it is on the expensive side, which might be a turnoff for budget-conscious shoppers. And although the noise isn't unbearable, it's noticeable, especially when blending at higher speeds. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Vitamix A2500 sits at the premium end of the blender market. You're paying for quality, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but it's worth assessing whether all these features are something you'll use regularly. If you're someone who blends multiple times a day or needs the versatility of having program settings for various tasks, the A2500 justifies its price. However, if you're a casual blender user, you might find that other, more budget-friendly options will serve your needs just as well. In terms of alternatives, the Vitamix A2500 competes with other high-end blenders like the Blendtec Designer 725, which also offers smart blending capabilities and automatic settings. However, the A2500 is often preferred for its ease of use, quieter operation, and overall build quality. If you're considering a similar product at a lower price point, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System offers strong performance for a more affordable price, though it lacks the advanced connectivity features of the Vitamix. Looking at build quality and longevity, Vitamix has built a solid reputation over the years for creating durable, long-lasting blenders. The A2500 is no exception. Its motor is powerful and reliable, and the materials used in the container and motor base feel premium. In terms of longevity, users can expect years of service from the A2500, provided it's cared for properly. There's very little to suggest that this model will degrade quickly, making it a good long-term investment if you use it regularly. When it comes to customer support, Vitamix has earned high marks across the board. The brand is known for its responsive and helpful customer service team, and their warranty options are also quite generous. In case you need any support, it's nice to know that Vitamix's reputation for excellent service backs this product. To wrap things up, the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series Smart Blender offers exceptional performance, a range of smart features, and a sleek design, making it a top contender for those in search of a high-quality blender. The wireless connectivity is a standout feature, and the pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts are incredibly convenient for busy users. On the downside, it's a bit noisy and comes at a premium price. But if you're looking for a durable, versatile, and efficient blender for a variety of tasks, the A2500 will likely serve you well. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're interested in purchasing the Vitamix A2500, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions if you own this blender, or if you're still considering whether it's the right fit for your kitchen. Until next time, it's been a pleasure having you here with Reviews Inside TV. Stay tuned for more expert insights and honest reviews.